In this video, we're bringing you a classic Caribbean holiday favorite with this Trinidad Ponche-de-Crème recipe. Creamy, spiced, and perfectly balanced with a touch of white rum. This festive drink is a must-have for your celebrations. Join us as we guide you through the simple steps to make this deliciously rich treat perfect for sipping and sharing this holiday season. Mix 3 eggs in a basin and place the basin on a pot of boiling water whilst constantly stirring. Do not cook the eggs. Stir until the eggs reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit for 3.5 minutes. Add the remaining ingredients and blend for about 3 minutes or until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Store in an empty rum or glass bottle with a cover and keep in a cool place until ready to serve, ideally at least overnight. Once the bottle is opened, store it in a fridge and it should keep for about 10 to 12 months. Serve over ice and garnish with a pinch of cinnamon and enjoy.